This is a little bit messy, but this is a true engineering lab with all the tools to measure piezo PVDF sensor output. And inside that white box, there is a charging amplifier op-amp, STM32 microchip, and a Bluetooth transmitter. We will provide a computer software that connect through the USB dongle, and the small box. This is the micro USB-C charge inside the lithium-ion battery, right? So that's charging the battery, micro USB-C. And over here there are three wires. Okay. The black wire is the grounding. For many sensors there is no grounding. You only have two wires. There are no difference. Over here we do provide a grounding or EMI shielding wire, which is black color. The red and the white color are connections to your piezo sensors, which usually have two connections. But this is a long cable. This is a long cable, 800 millimeter long. Is made with piezo PVDF film, 28 micron, about 6 nanofarad. And it has three wires because this fabric is EMI shielding fabric to reduce the noise. So anyway, the sensor connected to this small box, which is about 65 millimeter by 40 millimeter, very small one. We can make it even smaller if you want. Okay, so we connect them together, we set up, and we can open the software. Right? So in the software here should be voltage as a function of time. If I touch it, you see, if I use my hand, touch the sensor, you can see the output. The output can be directly recorded to your computer without using any oscilloscope, multimeter, or data acquisition system. You see over here. So if the signal can be quite strong. Okay. Again, this is a fabric. Two. I do it over here. Again, it's a little bit messy, but to show you how it works. Right? It can be like this. Oops. So it's like this. Make it better for you to see, right? If I use my hand to touch it, you see, if I do not do anything, there is only a little bit of noise from the surrounding electronics. But if I touch it by hand, you see the sensor generated piezo, vibration generated mechanical output, electrical voltage, right? Touch it. So it is something like this. Okay. If you put it under your pillow or under your bedding sheet, you can use it to monitor your heart rate and breathing. And certainly you need an algorithm to know which one is from noise, which one is from your heart rate. So this is the general design. And if you see here, you can record the data to CSV file, the voltage as a function of time. And over here, you have a setting. Okay, you click setting, you can do a simple filter, low pass, high pass filter, and notch filter. The sample rate is 500 hertz. Okay, so this is the general. A low cost. It's mainly used for university research or small company make some demo. And if you make a real commercial product, certainly can make it much smaller, the packaging more professional and more reliable. Again, this is a low cost, integrated electrical system, integrated charging amplifier, STM microchip, and Bluetooth transmitter. So you can use your laptop to monitor and record the output of your phone. Of the piezo sensor, without using fancy oscilloscope, multimeter, or data acquisition device. Okay. We have the in stock. We ship from State College, Pennsylvania. You can go to our website and order directly with credit card. We do not charge sales tax. Okay.